welcome back.
Hey, Teresa.
Come on in.
You've been busy.
I have been a little
Let me
busy.
just stop here, my goodness.
Over a couple of weeks, we've gotten a lot done. We've changed it from yellow to gray. And it's, I feel like it's a little bit more calm and a better place to work and think.
This is amazing. All right, well, give us a turn here.
Okay. Well, unfortunately, you did not get to come in here before we took everything out, but this room was just jam-packed full of furniture, and what we've done is just reduce it down to exactly what the writer might need. Just a nice comfortable chair, nice lighting, some tools on the wall over here for storyboarding and such. Of course, the desk, another nice light here, and a bookcase. Oftentimes writers like to bring in their own books and things and work materials, so a nice place to store those. And we took up the busy rug and just put down something nice, and again, just kind of calm and soothing there.
Very nice.
Into the hallway, this had some yellow wallpaper, just painted right over it, the gray, and then we added a nice shelf in here in the closet, which didn't have one, and a nice cozy blanket for wintertime writers.
Very nice. I love the gray.
Thank you. It's
very nice.
It's really calming to me.
Oh my goodness.
In here we kept going with the gray, but we added a little splash of color with some corals and that kind of tone on tone. What we did was first of all, we got this beautiful bed donated from Susan and Doug Brashear of Brashier's Furniture, and I thought, and I didn't even tell her, what I was looking for the Maya Angelou suite. I felt like this old iron bed was perfect, and this is what she had in mind. So we were on the same page there, and we just want to thank them so much for it. Just makes the room.
Totally, yes.
And so over here was a bureau, and there was nothing here, so we took that out. And first of all, we took the door down right behind you because the door swung into the room, which took up a lot of space that we needed for another little place to sit and write, and or even enjoy a meal by the window here, which is nice. Lots of natural light. And then we put in this kitchenette, and the microwave and the coffee pot and the refrigerator were kind of scattered around in the writing room. So we brought them all together on one piece of furniture, which was built by Bob Norman of Woodsey, and he built this for us at cost. And he just did a beautiful job on that.
That is so cool.
So of course the old refrigerator was brown, and I just couldn't deal with that, so I had to spray paint it green. But it's a nice little fun touch of color.
And the fixtures. Oh my goodness, look at the fixture up here, guys. That is so pretty.
Cute little star theme here. It's also reflected in the painting over there, which, by the way, is available. If anyone was staying in the room and interested in taking home a memento, it's called Cage Free. And of course, I had I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings in mind when I painted that.
Sure.
And also over here we had another issue with space. Since we moved the bureau from over there, we had a bathroom door that swung out this way, so I just switched it around to swing this way, and then we had a nice spot for a little chest of drawers for the writer. And
that's beautiful. I love that nice touch of shine there.
It's really trying to keep it real feminine in here. And
oh boy, here's the big reveal. This is the biggest reveal of all,
really
right?
Is.
Oh my goodness, wow, look at this, guys.
The pink bathroom is gone, and we just put in a nice little stand-up shower. Real simple vanity. We took the lighting down off the ceiling and put in a vent light, and then put some pretty sconces in there. And again, we brought some corals in there with the grays and salmon colors and different tone on tone in there. And the curtains kind of pick up the wallpaper pattern again, so that it's kind of nice.
It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. So pretty.
Thank you very much. And I have to say that this bathroom would not have been possible had it not been for James DeVito and DeVito's of Eureka Springs. They provided all the materials as far as sheetrock and flooring and screws and all those kind of things, and James provided, I really don't even know how many hours of labor, a lot. So thank you for that. Bill White Plumbing put in probably 3 times as many hours as he got paid for, and we appreciate that so much. Same thing, Nate Seymour of Hayes Electric. He charged us about 1/3 the cost. There's no way to do a bathroom like this for, probably under $10,000. And
So this was a real team effort by a lot of vendors and volunteers then.
It really was.
So got your Hayes Electric and the plumbing folks.
Bill White Plumbing,
Bill White.
James DeVito, his time, Woodsy with the furniture.
Yeah.
Velvet Otter took some of the old furniture off our hands and gave us a nice donation for that.
Sure.
And again, the Brashears with the beautiful bed. I donated a ton of hours for painting.
Yes, you did.
And I enjoyed painting in here. It was really nice. I got to know the feeling of the room, and that kind of helped me to put it all together. And I've just enjoyed it so much, and I'm really looking forward to moving on to the next 7 suites. We have 3 sponsors. Well, we have 2 sponsors for the 7 remaining suites, and we just need 5 more sponsors. It's $2,500 if you'd like to sponsor a suite, and you get to name your suite and work with us on inspiration and how you see it rolling out, and it's really fun. And if you'd like to help, just contact the Writers Colony, and we'll tell you how you can do that. You'll speak with Michelle Hannon, and she can tell you what to do there.
So you yourself and James and Peggy, y'all kind of collaborated on this? Was that sort of how this happened, on this particular suite?
Well, Peggy decided to sponsor the suite, and when I came in and started looking at it, I realized that I couldn't do the suite and leave the bathroom pink. I just couldn't live with it, so I decided to co-sponsor the suite with her, and she lent me a little bit of her budget for the room, and we were able to do the bathroom for about $3,000.
Okay.
And then the bedroom we were able to, especially with the donated furniture, we were able to do for about $2,000. So this was a tag team effort for sure. And James just jumped in there and just donated his time and helped us.
Totally, yes.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yes.
So is that something that can be replicated again with someone else that might want to sponsor a suite? Let's say someone might want to collaborate and co-sponsor like you guys did. Is that something that y'all are open to doing again?
Absolutely. Like if 2 people want to come in for $1,250 and sponsor a suite together, yes,
Absolutely.
That works for us.
All right.
Yeah.
And I know you've got a goal. You've got a specific goal. You're trying to get this completed by...
I would like to see it completed by winter's end 2020, which is our 20-year anniversary.
Sure.
And I would love to see that.
Okay.
So we're going to work hard towards it.
Okay. So you guys out there, if you're interested in being a sponsor of one of the rooms here at the Writers Colony, contact Miss Teresa or someone here.
Or Michelle Hannon.
Michelle, our new director.
Our new director.
We're excited to get to talk to her soon, so hopefully we'll get to do that soon with her.
Thank you. Thank you for coming, Melody. I appreciate you helping us spread the word and bringing this up to the public's awareness and what's going on here at the colony. We're really trying to take it to the next level.
You certainly are. Thank you so much, Teresa.
Thank you.
And everybody that was involved in this project. And guys, just take a look. Just one more look. This gorgeous room. Isn't it stunning?
I want to stay here.
Yeah, I can totally see myself. This is so nice. And everybody's going to enjoy this so much. Thanks, Teresa.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Bye, Melody.
Bye-bye.
Take care.